Hi guys, Chad here at Spray Plants, here to show you today the new Graco 390 Cordless. It has just come into stock today, so what we will do is we'll take a look at this and show you a few things about it. These will be coming in stock mid-September, so we are going to be doing some demos with these units as well. So if you'd like to call, get in touch with us on social media, we will get you booked in to have a look at these machines. So here we go, I'll get it out for you. So as I said before, we will be holding demos for these units. You can either book by calling us, either get in touch with us on Facebook or Instagram, where you can come down to our shop here. We can take a look at these units with you, we can have a look at the features and how they operate as well, and see if it takes your fancy. So yeah, please get in touch.